Recent federal cuts to the National Weather Service has raised some concerns over whether the organization's office in Jackson was able to issue warnings far enough in advance. Governor Beshear is setting the record straight. The Trump administration's cuts have resulted in overnight staffing shortages in offices nationwide. However, meteorologists we spoke with say the Jackson office was staffed and issuing alerts ahead of the severe weather in Pulaski and Laurel counties. Governor Beshear confirmed that in a news conference on Saturday.
While I have big concerns with cuts to the National Weather Service, I don't see any evidence that it impacted this one. The National Weather Service is just an amazing organization. I work with them every day, every week in this job. They work so hard. And if you look especially at the flooding disasters, on a couple of them, they gave us a week's worth of notice.
Governor Beshear says local, state, and federal leaders are ready to help anyone impacted by the storms for weeks and months to come.